Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have a treat of an RV tour for you today. We have the Nomad RV Euphoria behind us, so let's get into it. This thing is built to be an off-road, off-grid beast. Starting here on the front, we got the Flatline Van Company front bumper with the winch. We've got the triple R lights here in the grill. This thing is ready to roll, and it looks like we got some Baja design shooter little pod lights right there. So you're not going to get stuck on the trail, and you're going to be able to light it up. Here on the back, you got the Flatline Van Co. box. This is kind of cool. This is like that clamshell one. Opens kind of like that. I like that. You got a spare tire mount. And of course, you got the gigantic Nomad RV logo. I kind of like that with the little compass feature. Looks pretty cool. Then they're running the Rika wheels. We got the Nito Recon Grappler, all-terrain tires, Falcon shocks, you know, the whole van compass lift. They got the setup here. We're gonna throw some details down in the description for you, just so you can get all the nitty-gritty, you know, numbers. But as you can see, they're not sparing no expense. And this is standard. This is an upgrades, all this that we're showing you, standard. All right, let's go inside now, and we'll get you the price and everything once we get inside. Let's go take a look. Got these awesome pull-out steps right here, like these. Well dang.
Oh my gosh.
All right, where to begin? So this is a first look for us as well as you, so I honestly don't really know what I'm talking about besides what I'm seeing and what I could read on the sheet over here. These have 1,080 amp hours of batteries and 1,080 watts of solar on the roof. So that's a beast of a system. But the first thing I am noticing when we come in here is this cabinetry is aluminum or steel of some sort. I think it's aluminum is what it feels like. Nice handles, but aluminum. No rattles, all molded, you know, to shape and everything. That's awesome.
So right when you come in, you notice they have a separate fridge and freezer that is a Nova Cool here, and there's some more storage right on top of that. And as you walk in, this leads over to the bathroom. We haven't even been in here yet, so let's check this out together. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Okay, so you have a lot of space in here. My husband's 6 feet tall. He will fit just fine. We've got lots of elbow room right here. Yeah, this is an excellent shower. Amazing job.
All right, I'm gonna step in here to show you guys. Just watch my head when I step in. So if you are like 6 feet or taller, we'll obviously duck when you come in here. It's got ventilation up above, which I really like, but I just wanted to do this so you guys can see. I got the shower head right here. Fits perfectly. They got some teak or bamboo or something here on the floor. Really like it.
Not to mention, we really like this full-length mirror right here. You can check everything out, make sure you look good for the day. That's pretty nice to have in here.
Over here in the galley, it looks like we have a power convection microwave. Got a huge sink. Look at the size of this Torva sink. Really wide, really deep. That's nice. Lots more storage. You got one big one right here, 3 pull-out drawers right here. That's pretty awesome. And then dinette area. Got the dinette area where 2 people can sit across from each other. You could actually, an adult and a little kid could fit here. Really nice table. This thing's actually really beautiful. Nice wood. The countertops, tabletop, you know, really nice materials they're using. Even the seats here, nice Nice kind of leather on that side. This side's got a different option, their fabric option. So, I mean, what's not to like? Then back here, it looks like this is I would say a king size bed, but it is really nice. It's huge, lots of overhead storage to put your clothes. And of course, you have the big back wall. This is not the final production model. There actually is going to be a big, huge window back there, so that's going to be a nice touch. And then if you look up above, check that out. I mean, those ceilings, it's beautiful. It's like our Nuvo. It's amazing. I like this. Wow. Awesome unit. And of course, underneath this bed, there is a huge garage pass-through storage area that you can access from the outside. They have a bunch of items in there right now because they're on the road, so I don't want to kind of show that and bother their stuff, but a lot of space, pretty cool.
And of course, all of your electronics are over here, and we love to see this Victron Energy. Definitely the best on the market, in our opinion, and it's all on one side, so we love that because we don't like when the electronics are scattered all over your RV.
So as Brittany just showed you, they're running Victron components. Like I said, they have 1,080 amp hours of lithium batteries. Looks like they are running the Aqua Hot system, which is pretty cool. I like that. So they're using some of the best state-of-the-art tech you can in the RV world, so that's positive.
And as you can see, you can get to the front of the chassis right here, but I wanted to show you above here, look at that, even more storage space. There's so much in here. I love it.
So like we said, this isn't the final production model. Obviously, there's a few changes that they're going to make, but this thing is coming in at $268,000. That is a see-through price, and if you are interested, you're going to have to go see the team over at Sunshine State RVs here in Ocala, Florida, because they're the ones that'll be selling these bad boys and getting them to you. So go visit them.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.